Hey everyone, we're back for another update video. It's been a couple of weeks since we've been here, but we have some cool new features that we're super excited to share with you. So first things first, I have this landing page I've created with a suggestion in Musho, and it has all the elements that I need, but you'll notice that instead of an image, there's these cool doodles in here and also one in here. And actually what I've done is that I've looked for these doodles from the Blush library, which is this super cool platform that allows you to customize all of these different types of illustrations. And with Musho, you can actually just add them to your landing pages. So what I did in here was type in -- blush, and I want to look for images that are related to work. And I'm just going to hit on remix, and it should change them pretty quickly. So this is another one. I don't love that one as much. Let's see. Let me shuffle again. Oh, I love this one. I think this one's super cool. And I can do that with several images at the same time. So instead of, changing these ones to work, let's say that I want to add different doodles of people. I can hit remix as I selected all these different layers, and it's going to change them. And so as you can see, it's a quick and easy way to personalize your landing pages even more with Blush. And if you want to browse the different categories, you can just go into the category section within blush.design. Or you can always just try it randomly. So if you don't add a category and you just write -- blush, it's just going to return random doodles. Oh, and this one here. These ones are actually pretty good. So that is it for our first update. The second thing I wanted to share with you was an update that we made on Lummi. So this update is available on the website, but also in the plugin. Let's just do it in the plugin first, since we already have our landing page. And the change is we've actually introduced filters so that as you search through categories or a specific query, you can actually filter and look at the right colors that you want to look for. You can even select orientation. You can select amount of people. And you can even select luminance. Of course, this landing page has nothing to do with animals, but I'm still just gonna select these ones in here and show you that even when you're doing a filter, you can also keep inserting random. But these are gonna be random ones that have a certain orientation, a certain color palette, and you can even add the luminance. So these look super nice. You can also sort by trending or most recent. Say, for example, that you are doing a search query for fruit. I don't know why. That's the first thing that popped to my head. And you can sort by relevance, which is going to be default. You can also search by most recent. And you can also search by trending, which is going to depend on the amount of downloads or inserts that image has had into either Figma or your desktop. And of course, it's not only available in the plugin, but it's also available in our Lummi site. So if you are searching in a certain category, you're going to be able to access that color filter, the orientation filter, let's say we want, or you can go into one of our creators' profiles and sort from there. So I'm here and I just want to look at the images that Pablo has submitted, and I just want the ones that are vertical. And it's going to give me these as well. So I hope you enjoyed today's updates, and let us know in the comments if you have any thoughts, any ideas or suggestions, and we'll try to see each other next week for another update video.